So listen, it is 2025. I think the last time I saw y'all saw me working was in my ASMR video. That was around the holidays, y'all. The holidays were bittersweet, but that's not what we're here for, okay? Did y'all make it to 2025? I hope so. If you made it, like this video. If you made it, comment this video. If you barely got through 2024, comment on this video. But that's not what this video is about. So let me tell you, one of my clients from the top of 2024 reached out to me and was like, hey, t.a.l.a.y.a, do you have some availability? Because I need something made and it needs to be leather and I need it by January. And I said, okay, bet. Now, fun fact, I've never worked with leather. I've worked with vinyl, but vinyl and leather are two totally different things. So because I've never worked with it, I was not afraid. However, I knew that I had to put myself in the posture of a student. So I reached out to one of my good friends. He's a designer as well. He does a lot of handbags, leather handbags at that. And I was like, hey, I need some tips. Like, can you let me know how to properly make something with excellence working with leather? And he gave me all the tips, and I told him the weight of the fabric. Even finding a leather that was lightweight and had some give to it was difficult, but nevertheless, your girl came through. So in this video, you see me sewing and top stitching. I really did not have a lot of behind the scenes content because, again, I was making this during the holidays, but I really wanted y'all to see his reaction and what it's like to really do custom fitting with the client. Check this out. Okay, you ready? It may be long, but I prefer to be long than too short. So I brought my sewing machine and some scissors if you want to take it off a little bit. So, now you wearing anything underneath?
Under that?
Yeah.
Nah.
Okay. I didn't know if it was gonna be cold, so I said, well, hey.
Beauty is pain.
And it's come back. So I couldn't make a waistband.
Oh, and it's a car?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Let me go get my machine. That's baggy like you wanted it, right?
Yes, it's baggy. It's definitely like baggy like I wanted it.
Okay. And you got some pockets right here. Right here.
Aha. Okay. Yes.
To say he loved it is an understatement, okay? He's a returning client and he told me he trusts my vision, he trusts what I do, and I appreciate clients like that. So I try to make sure I provide not just excellent work, but excellent customer service. And if y'all want this in a pattern, if you want to download this pattern and make one yourself, comment on this video, let me know. I may work on that. But until next time, I'll see you next week.